falcherash gu The Gaming Gale son episode Aghaidh je Aoigh. Nusha ha sonriche agam en ju. Aan een episode Aghaidh va me cluich mo vrager Aoigh. Agus en ju be me cluich mo vrager moor. Cur falch Vraag moor agam Jane Tanmahorst.
Hi, I'm Michael. How you doing?
Hami Kjarskior. Aye, Kimmer how?
I'm good. And yourself?
Hami Kjarskior, Morantang.
Happy days.
Nisha, Catchavela, well, no, Koas a how, Ekan Toshoch.
So where am I from? From the Isle of Lewis. So, yep, obviously same because I'm bigger brother, better looking brother, but it's one of them. It depends on what you want. But yeah, I'm from Lewis, hi.
Case to tree, Catchavela Furoch.
So where I live now, I'm getting this, So where I live now is Ardrossan, which is right on the coast, looking out into lovely Isle of Arran. That's where I bought a house with me and my fiance. As you can tell, it's a women's touch here with all the nice green. Definitely, that's not what a man would have in his house. He'd have loads of different stuff.
Cheshire?
Yeah.
Cheshire?
Yeah, Cheshire.
Okay, so Morantang, son of Colarum, Hami Chotango, Guvelu Shaw, Agus Hami Chotango, son and Tay, Akit, Ach, Natchishin, Hashin Shaw, son Gamenin, a cluich, Agus Leshin, Inchgo, Agus Nadunya Aha Garcoit, J in Game is Charlotte.
So
Nope. Yep.
So how I understand that being said there is what is my favourite game? How I'm sort of taking that there, and my favourite game of all time is Metal Gear Solid.
Metal Gear Solid.
For the PS1, that's the initial one that came. PlayStation 1.
So on a PlayStation 1.
PlayStation 1, yes.
PlayStation 1.
Ha.
Nisha, Inchgo, Carsona ha.
Why?
40 minutes.
Oh.
Carsona ha Metal Gear Solid in Game of Charlotte.
So the reason why Metal Gear Solid is my favourite game is because I seen what you did today last time, and I'm not going to let you think I'm boring because I'm not going to be.
Oh.
So basically games originally, the way I found games to begin with was there were sort of two-player games and all that.
Look at that.
So yeah, that's the one. And Metal Gear Solid for me was the first game that had a massive storyline, and it got me right into gaming, and that was it. Just gaming then for me wasn't just about the two-player aspect, it was all about the sort of the story,
skill,
just sort of getting into it. Yeah.
Via Coltochry film.
Yeah, basically like a film, just how it would be done, and that like sort of led on to me playing stuff like Uncharted and all that now, you know, all these good stories like Last of Us, etc. You know, and there's all like loads of different good games as well, you know, like massive open player like games. I've got that completely wrong. Massive open world games, which have been brilliant, like Grand Theft Autos and that, obviously from Rockstar. Playing Red Dead Redemption, one of the best story games that's come out in the last few while, so it's just brilliant. I love my games, you know anyway, you've seen my gaming room.
Yeah.
Yes.
Modern Tanks on Shin, Tor Fisterkuk, I guess Hami Tolikje, Lecha Hularut. So, Eens gaan de karretje nakken. J in game, a vision, a cluich, and Jew.
So we're going to be playing today is UFC. Was it 3?
3. Yep.
So UFC 3 is the one with Conor McGregor on the front. Now I'm going to say this straight away. He's had a chance to play this, and I've not had a chance at all. So I'll be going in blind, but I reckon I'll still beat him.
Well, he should. Yeah. Okay. Aye. Chin Marachan. Yeah. Oh. Okay.
We're going with it.
Welterweight, middleweight.
Go up.
Kohagiri do.
Go.
Right, heavy. John Jones and a Daniel Cormier.
Oh, who are you going to go? Who's your favourite?
Charlo, Daniel Cormier.
Okay, I'll go John Jones.
Okay.
Right, so as we said here before, I've not played this ever.
Yep, had a ancient practice rounds each hour.
And yell a practice rounds.
Had a ancient practice rounds.
what he said.
Jeshal.
Skip all this.
Aye.
Don't touch me. It's the fight. Oh.
Oh.
Take that liquid.
Vaak mag jou. Ergens mag gaan staan. Mag jou. Zit je nu? Ja, zeer een laar. Posture op. No, 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 no. Beans. Ja.
Get up, John.
Oh.
Get up. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh my word, this is going to end horrible. What's going on here? Let me get up.
So 32 in the controller class.
Oh, ha, ha, ha.
I guess. Aye. Hij meer bhuannaich in round en draste. Als je het zeer en laar. Oh, sugar. Oh! Oh, round one, Jeshal.
Poke me in the eye.
How fortunate ook. Wij weer een laar. I guess van mijn brain.
Yeah, I know, but I
Eens
don't know that it's first time I've played.
Eens
So.
me goed mee in de Putin. So.
Boom! What a lazy way of coming in. Oh, skip the girls.
Oh, oh.
Objectifying.
Zo'n clown.
Oh, nice.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh, scheiße. Get up, John.
No! Oh! Goed musje, get up. Yes.
Well, you got to hold out to when you're doing that.
Tammy's, I think so.
See, I'm thinking don't. This is cack. Well, take a head kick.
Maar bhuannaich is to baby. Ho, VI.
Oh, nice.
Adosius.
I don't like this.
Gatolom shot.
I would prefer Tekken.
Actually, still long shot. Push me gatolom. Right, how Adosius. Trip show. Adosius.
I'm dropping him in this one.
Aye. Le head kick.
Oh,
That's it! That's it! Bhuannaich miss it!
that's rubbish. I hate this game.
De magische 3.
Oh, aye. Kobe.
Colby Covington. Joy Cabriște.
Make America great again.
Stom Wonderboy Gomorrah. Dan ik go bhuannaich near Aghaidh en Pettis.
Got it. You got repetitive getting.
I'm vaak getuschen. Did you see that?
What, Pettis getting beat?
No, near Aghaidh, Thompson en Pettis.
When did they fight?
Mees in rash, waar Thompson en bhuannaich like easily. Agus an ocean.
Thompson beat Pettis easy.
No, wij. A bhuannaich one punch.
No way.
Yeah.
Thompson had it, has he?
Listen. Check.
Karate boy, innit?
Yeah. Ga je gewoon mij karate. Boom. Oh.
Waste of stamina.
Oh! No! Nah. Prep. Oh! Ah! Oh man!
I don't want to take my opponent down. I want to stand up. I want to fight.
Oh man, en die moet vaak in kerst gehoord. Hij kooit ho ski. Is gorst. Ah! Oh! Van me hier in laat. Oh! Boom! Ja! Ja.
Oh, come on, I blocked.
Prepared gaan. Oh!
Come on, Kobe.
Oh, hij ski, hij ski, hij ski. Oh!
No.
Ze kochen gewoon gedjeren.
Oh. Oh. Where's he, Randy?
Mutten. Oh.
Oh. Just stand on his head.
Oh, no! Sis.
This is a world-class straight right, he misses.
Oh!
Very nice.
Kasgorst. Oh, hallo, Kulan. Hallo. Kumoor, ik moet vragen. Gomoor.
Big dog.
Willemoor.
Direwolf. You speak? Speak? You speak? Conor McGregor against Gamebred.
Kjarst, zo hij
Masvidal.
een eterin.
This is the decider.
Show match meerig, sabach meerig. Hamische Farkin meegoerstel meeen. Michael or Michael. Conor McGregor, Hug Misha. Gamebred. George Masvidal.
That's just like the worst thing in the world.
I know.
Genuinely.
Dat was zo. Oh, hij kooit niet nog.
I can't believe I just did that. God,
Hij heet de cluich. Kjol er niet. Kutjo. Oh, you're from Ireland. Right, Jessel.
Hi.
Oh, en je hebt me faking een Sabbath show. Het al. Schach het in round. Oh! Oh! Zus!
Yeah! You do nothing. You do nothing. I want to take this opportunity to apologize to absolutely no one.
Okay, so Shin, cluich sin UFC agus gaf me chorum domme vragen.
The best.
You know,
The best brother.
nu de hasje een cluich in die gele, geharig nu de wasje ook. Wij overzog me cholletje, Michael, so you know, I let him win. But
Yeah.
Hami tolikje, hami groot tangle, gewillig show, koolruim, agus gleva. bhuannaich ha an scór an tré go mise go na haoigh.
Number one.
Out
I'm
of-
number one.
Out of a hun.
The number one, brother.
Out of
I'm number one gaming.
Brathair is ours. Cú, mór an tang. Son a coit an program acum, agus ha mi an docus gunro an program a chord a greibh, ha mi an docus gunro an lá an dú a chord a greibh, root, tulich, agus sinne, mór an tang, hi mi sibh Aghaidh, agus bí mi a génú video eile in Bye.
Champion.